Okay, here we have the Nacecare TTB 1120, and let's start right from the front. This is your pad holder, and you just turn it to take it off, set it back up there, turn it to set it back on. To change your pad, you're going to pull this red centerpiece out and pull your pad off, put your new pad on, push hard onto the centerpiece to lock it in place. You will hear a click, and that means that you have your centerpiece in the correct way. Now, moving over to the side here, we have this bar which you push in, which will release the head and drop it to the floor so that you can do your scrubbing. All you do is push this back a little bit, push this bar right there inward, and the head will drop. Let me do that one more time. Okay, push the head back a little bit, push this bar in, and it will drop down for you. When you push it back up, it will automatically lock in place to be able to move the machine. On the other side, we have one important thing to note, and that is the filter. This filter will become clogged if you do use a bucket or any other type of system to fill this machine. If you're not getting solution to the front of the machine, to the pad, then what you want to do is take that filter, it unscrews from here, and then you clean it out and you screw it back on. Underneath the hood, we have our batteries and a circuit breaker. The circuit breaker should not have to be changed. If the circuit breaker does blow, that means that you have something wrong with the system and you should call for service. There is an extra circuit breaker if you need it once you blow this current one. The cord for the charger is encased down here. You can pull that out and it plugs in on the handle of the machine. All you do is flip this door right here open, plug your cord in, plug it into the wall. The red light will go on, and just let it complete its charge. The red light will go off. Right here we have your squeegee drop. All you do is push it down. Your squeegee will be down on the floor and ready to pick up. Your hoses here, this is your recovery hose to the tank. This is your suction hose. And then we have your solution drain hose. This will drain the solution out of the unit. We have two knurled nuts, one on each side, and those are the adjustment nuts to make sure that the squeegee is completely down on the floor, and to make sure it should be down a little bit lower. The squeegee should be pushing backwards towards you when it's adjusted correctly. Okay, on the handle controls, this will adjust your height. You just pull it back and let it drop, and it will automatically lock. To start the machine, you have a switch here. You just push this in, the key in, turn it all the way, and that will turn your power on. Once your power is on, you pull up on your lever, and then you hit this yellow button, and that automatically turns everything on for you except for the water, which is right here. And you push that button in once your head is down, and that will turn the water on for you. There is an automatic shut off after a couple minutes to shut the machine off so it doesn't continue to run. Over here on the left side, we have your solution fill. On the right side, we also have a solution fill here, which can be opened up, and a hose can be placed inside the hose to fill it up.